Welcome, law firms. This today is a casual video about joining me, my fun summertime Zoom meeting coming up August 4th, 2023 at noon Pacific time, called Revolutionizing Social Media Engagement, Harnessing the Power of AI for Lightning Fast Posting. I'm super excited to show you around these programs that I'm using and how we're using them to speed up social media considerably. So recently, as a matter of fact, only about 2 weeks ago, I spoke at the M&L Legal Marketing Management Seminar in Vail, Colorado. Thank you, everybody who was there. This is one of the most prestigious and valuable seminars I've ever been to. I've been speaking with them since about 2010, and it's just, you learn so much. And in my presentation, I put together the amount of time it takes to post on social media and run social media ad campaigns without the help of AI. And it shocked even me that it's gotten up to 72.5 hours weekly. That's basically 2 people and a lot of work for social media. But AI has helped us so much, and I hope that you'll join me on my Zoom meeting for my fun summertime lunch meeting, where I'll walk you through the programs we're using, tell you how we're using them, and also show you what works and what doesn't resonate on social media. I would love to have all of you there so I can answer questions and we can hang out together for lunch. So join me Friday, August 4th at noon for a lunchtime hangout session. I'm charging $69, which in California is about the amount of a peanut butter sandwich. Basically, we don't want everybody coming in, just people who are really interested. So I put a small charge on it. And when you go to the page on my website and put in your payment, you'll get a PDF that gives you the login information for the Zoom meeting. Okay, I can't wait to spend some time together. I'm so excited to see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.